Hello and welcome. So this is my part 3 on how to calculate the monthly premium amount for NHIF, that is the National Hospital Insurance Fund. So in this part 3 we shall use the Lambda function and the if function. So let me start by typing the formula here. So we start by typing lambda. So that is equal signs, then lambda, then in brackets, so you type the amount. So here you type anything, so I will just call it amount, or maybe I can call it income. So that is the gross income, then comma. So here we say if income is less than 6,000, then return 150 shillings. So that is the person will pay 150 shillings. Otherwise, if income is less than 8,000, then return 300. So we continue that way up to 100,000. So we copy this because we shall repeat the same thing, so we change the values. So you paste. So we say otherwise income is 12,000, so return 400 shillings. And if it is 15,000, if it is less than 15,000, so you return 500. Otherwise, if income is 20,000, so you return, if it is less than 20,000, you return 600. Otherwise, if it is less than 25,000, so we return 750. Otherwise, if it is 30,000, so we return 850. If it is 35,000, I mean less than 35,000, so we have 900. Or less than 40,000, so the premium amount will be 1,000. So if it is 45, so we have, that is 45,000, less than 45,000, so that is I mean here it was 950, and then here it is 1,000. Otherwise, if the amount is less than 50,000, so what do we have? So we have 1,100. So if it is less than 60,000, so we have 1,200. And then if it is less than 70,000, So we have 1300. If it is less than 80,000, so we have 1400. And then if it is less than 90,000, so we have 1500. If it is less than 100,000, so we have 1600. And finally, if it is greater than 100,000, so we put greater than here, so return 1700. So then now we put the brackets. So we close all these brackets that were opened. So we close that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So there were 18 brackets, so we open the brackets. So select this cell, close brackets, and then enter. So it is giving you 150 because here there is no value. So let us put some values. So that is it. So we have 58,000 and so on. So to make this formula a bit simpler, so we are going to select all these up to here, then we copy, then enter, then we go to the formulas tab, click on define name, then the name that we are defining is NHIF. Then paste the values here, so the formula, Control V, and then click OK. So now we can use the formula anywhere. We can even use it in this new worksheet. So simply type is equal to, so let us have some amount here, and we can have our formula here. So is equal to NHIF. So select this amount, then enter. So you can even have 15,000. So that is the NHIF, 22,000, and so on. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next part. So where now I will explain the use of VBA, or the macro codes, in calculating the NHIF. So please subscribe to my videos, and see you in my next videos.